Hello, my dear students. I am Anupam Mishra again. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel in the series lecture of class 11 and 12 Computer Science with Python. So, in this video, I will tell you how you will install and download MySQL server to your computer. Okay, first of all, you have to go to this link. I will provide this link on my description video also. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to this site. Okay, now after going to this site, you will get an interface like this. Okay, now do not need to log in into the web account of Oracle. You just simply click on no thanks, just it started my download. You just simply click over here. Okay, then your file will begin to start. As you are watching over here, it will take some times to download it. Its size is approximate 24.4 MB, so it will take some time. Okay, after downloading it, I will tell you the next process what you have to do. So wait, it's take around 38 second, 36 second, 21 second. I will show you in the download section also. Okay, so it just take, my downloading speed is very fast. It's the speed approx 1 Mbps. It will take 2 seconds. Okay, so okay, now download is almost complete. Clear. Now go to the folder, not just double click over here, and your installation process will start. It just configure MySQL installer, okay, to the Windows. It will take some time. You can easily install your computer and you can start practicing. You can start doing the question how you can connect MySQL to your Python. Okay, click on yes. It just fetching the requirements. Time remaining 2 seconds. Click on yes. Okay, now it will start installing to your computer. To continue receiving product catalog update, you must apply this upgrade. You want to apply this upgrade. It means it just give you a warning message that in future, if you want that updation will provide from the MySQL server, then you have to choose yes, otherwise no. If you do not want any further updation from this MySQL community downloads, then you have to tick over the no button. So I do not require any further updation, so I will click on no. Okay, now here various modes are available: developer mode, server mode, client mode, full mode, custom. Okay, so you are as a students of class 11 and 12, so you have to install server of MySQL to your computer. So you will just click on over only server mode. Okay, now just click on next. Okay, now this is the requirement for operating on MySQL server. Okay, in system MySQL server 8.20, Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 should be there. If it is not there, then you just click over here. Okay, it's general requirement to operate MySQL server. Execute this file. It will take some time. It shows his status 9%, 10%, 13, 14, 17. Okay, it will take hardly 15 to 20 seconds. It depends upon your internet speed also. Okay, then I agree to the license term and condition. Click on install. Now Microsoft Visual C++ is installing to your computer. This is a requirement. This is a basic requirement to install MySQL server to your computer. Okay, it will take some time. It will take some time for the installation. Now the installation has been completed. Next, you have to click next. Okay, now this is ready to download. You just click over here execute button. It will take some time. Okay, there are, I think, 4 to 5 steps will be there. So after installing the first step, second step will move automatically. Okay, so again you have to keep patience, you have to hold your patience, and this installation speed again depends upon your internet speed. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. If you are getting normal speed from the internet, then it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. If you are getting good speed, then it will take 2 minutes. So again, just have a patience. 41% has been completed. It almost 60%, 61% is 62% is over. Now 75% is over, 76% is over. It will take 1 more minute to install MySQL Server 8.0.20, the version of your MySQL Server to your computer. %90 over, 91%. And 100% over. So it's a progress. In 50% it will just installing to the MySQL Server 8.0.20 computer command line prompt. Now again click on next button. Again next button, next. Okay, so I am just erasing. MySQL root password, you have to enter your password over here. Okay, at the time of using MySQL, you have to enter your SQL password. So I am just entering my password. Just repeat your password. Okay, here you can add new user also. Okay, then you have to write your name, okay, and your password name. You can write any name what you want. By default you will get host means local host you will get MySQL name. Okay, so again do the next, it will apply this configuration step by step. Execute. Okay, so this step will take some time, these step will take some time. This step and these two steps will take some time because it's a large file. Okay, it's just initializing the database to your computer, so it will take time, and starting the server. After that, these two steps will take very less time. Okay, and as you watch that these three steps also will take very less time. Okay, only these two steps will require more time. These two steps, initializing database, it will take little time, and then starting the server, it will just start the server to your computer. Okay, now this stuff has been complete. Okay, then finish, next, finish. Now just search over here MySQL. This is a command line. Okay, you just double click over here, you just enter your password over here. Okay, if you want to see the databases what is available in by default in this MySQL command line client, show databases. So these are databases which are available in this MySQL. Okay, so these information schema, MySQL performance schema, so these are our databases which are available. So I hope you can easily install to your computer. These are a very easy step to install MySQL server to your computer. If you like my videos, do please hit the like button, watch it, subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get my latest video. Thank you.